Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. How can a river power your video games? Get ready to learn how we turn a simple splash into a powerful zap. Hydro means water, and electric means, well, electricity. So hydroelectricity is power made from water. We all know moving water is super strong, right? A raging river or a giant waterfall has a ton of energy. To capture that power, we first build a dam. It's a massive, strong wall that stops a river in its tracks. The dam holds back the water, creating a giant lake called a reservoir. This is like a giant watery battery full of stored energy. All this high up, still water is full of potential energy. It's just waiting for a chance to move. Now, we open a gate at the bottom of the dam, letting the water rush into a giant steep slide called a penstock. Here it goes. Gravity pulls the water down the slide, making it go super, super fast. That's kinetic energy, the energy of motion. The speeding water blasts against a giant wheel called a turbine. It's just like how wind spins a pinwheel, but with water. This spinning turbine is connected to a generator. This is the machine that actually makes the electricity. The generator uses magnets and spinning motion to turn that spin power into zap power, electricity. That electricity then zips through power lines, traveling hundreds of miles to power your lights, your TV, and your home. And here's the best part. Hydropower is clean. It doesn't burn any fuel, so it doesn't cause any air pollution. And unlike solar or wind, dams can make power 24/7, as long as there is enough water in the reservoir. But dams do have a downside. They can block rivers, making it hard for fish like salmon to swim upstream. So, by using the simple power of gravity and water, we can light up our world. That's the awesome power of hydro.